Hello there. I just got this in the mail. It's a knockoff of the Secrid wallet. Let's open it up. Sorry for the dirty cutter. So this is the case it comes in. Pretty simple. I mean, so yeah, I ordered the brown color, and this cost me about, if I'm not mistaken, $12. And I think it's leather. Not sure, maybe it's not, but it feels nice. Yeah, the inside also feels pretty realistic. Here's the note, the bill holder or whatever. And let's test this thing out. So we're back. I filled this with, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. I tried 6, but okay, I'll show you that. It's a bit hard to get the middle cards, and even this one with 6 cards, so I took one out. And okay, the result is about the same. It's not very good. I mean, look, if I want this card here, this particular card, it's not very easy to access it. Let's try with another one. Okay, no, it's definitely not that the problem. But yeah, I mean, I guess it's just a matter of getting used to it. I also forgot to mention that in the box comes this little pamphlet that says it's, well, RFID protected and, you know, that stuff that Secrid is also known to have. I've also read about people complaining that the mechanism squeaks on knockoffs. Well, I don't hear that with this one. What I noticed though is that it does take a bit. Okay, it doesn't happen every time, but you surely could see it. It got stuck momentarily, and only then it went. Oh, look, it's dispensing pretty nicely now, I guess. Well, it's a bit more even. Well, it's still a bit hard, but I guess that's the way it works. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll post a link in the description to the site where I got this. I'm not in any way affiliated with the seller. I'm just, you know, sharing my personal experience. So yeah, bye.